Good afternoon to everyone at today's public hearing of the Vetting Commission, established under Law Number 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for judges of the Supreme Court of Justice. I'm Scott Bales, the chair of the commission and the chair of Panel B, and I declare this session open. The hearing is being conducted under Law Number 252 of the year 2023. That law concerns the external evaluation of judges and prosecutors and amends some normative acts. The hearing is also being conducted under the Commission's Rules of Organization and Functioning. The subject of today's hearing is Andrei Cașcaval, a candidate for the position of judge at the Central Court of Appeal. Judge Cașcaval is a judge at the Chișinău District Court Central Office. In June of 2024, he temporarily transferred to the Central Court of Appeal. That court was known as the Chișinău Court of Appeal until it was renamed last year in December. Judge Cașcaval, welcome. I'm joined by two other panel members. To my right is Commission Member William Brower, and to my left is Commission Member Yuri Gatskin. The Commission is also assisted by members of its Secretariat, and you may also see in the room members of the public or the media. The photographer will take pictures just briefly at the start of the session. The hearing will be conducted with translation between Romanian and English. To allow accurate translation, it's important that everyone speak clearly and slowly. The proceedings are being recorded. The recordings of the Commission's public hearings generally will be available online at the Commission's website, www.vettingmd.eu, within 3 days after the hearing. I will start by briefly reviewing the evaluation process for Judge Cașcaval. The Commission began its evaluation on January 13th of this year by notifying the judge by email and asking him to complete and return an ethics questionnaire and the financial declarations required by Law Number 252. Judge Cașcaval returned the completed declarations and questionnaire on the 22nd of January this year. On February 6th, 2025, in accordance with Article 37, Paragraph 3 of the Commission's rules, Judge Cașcaval was informed that the case had been randomly allocated to Evaluation Panel B. He was advised that he had a right to submit a reasoned request for recusal. As of this date, no such request has been submitted. As part of evaluating a subject's ethical and financial integrity, the Commission also obtains information from many other sources. These include the National Integrity Authority, the State Fiscal Service, the General Inspectorate of the Border Police, other public institutions, financial institutions, and open sources. The Commission assesses the information it obtains for its relevance and reliability. In April of 2025, the Commission asked Judge Cașcaval additional questions to clarify certain matters. He provided answers and information during that period. On May 30th of this year, we notified Judge Cașcaval that the Commission had finalized its investigation and had not identified any areas of doubt about his compliance with the ethical and financial criteria. We also invited him to attend today's hearing. He asked for access to the evaluation materials on June 3rd, 2025, and was provided access that day. According to Article 39, Paragraph 3 of the Commission's evaluation rules, if the panel, based on the information collected and reviewed, does not have doubts about a subject's compliance with the integrity criteria, shall send the subject a hearing notice and set a hearing at least 10 days after the notice, where it will ask the subject to confirm the accuracy of the information the subject has provided and announce that, absent its receipt of new information, the panel will adopt an evaluation report containing a proposal for promotion. Judge Cașcaval, do you wish to make any corrections or additions to the answers you have provided to the Commission's previous requests for information?
Nu, mulțumesc.
No, thank you. There's nothing for me to add, and I've already provided everything that I had to.
Are the answers that you provided to the Commission and the other information that was in the 5-year declaration and ethics questionnaire that you returned on the 22nd of January still accurate as of today?
Da, rămân a fi valabil.
Yes, they continue to be accurate and topical as of today.
And Judge, before we conclude the hearing, is there anything you would like to say? Would you like to make a statement before we conclude?
Da, voi fi foarte succint.
Yes, but I will be very brief. As you've mentioned, Chairman, following communications with the Commission via the Secretariat, in addition to the information that the Commission collected, well, I too have indeed supplied, as part of the questions and answers rounds, I provided explanations, supporting documentation that I had to allow the Commission to carry out an objective evaluation. Other than that, all I can say is that I wish you and my colleagues, other judges that are undergoing the evaluation, to have the best of luck and to be patient and to have success ultimately. Thank you.
Judge Cașcaval, thank you for the statement and thank you for your answers to the Commission's requests for information. That brings us to the end of today's hearing. After the hearing, the panel will approve an evaluation report stating its conclusion whether the subject meets the criteria for ethical and financial integrity under Law 252. The panel will strive to complete its report and announce its conclusion as soon as possible. It generally seeks to do so within a month after a subject's public hearing. Today's hearing is now closed. Good day to everyone. O zi bună.
Mulțumesc și eu.
Thank you. Have a good day too.